Now, once you have the stock created and defined, the next step is to specify the location of your work origin, or also known as work zero or the program zero. Where would you like to establish your XYZ origin before you start milling the part? As you place this piece of material on your machine table, you typically want to pick one of the corners of the stock and either pick the highest Z or the lowest Z to establish your XYZ0. It's will be called program zero, your work zero, or part coordinate origin. So we're going to establish that. There's a couple of ways to do it. One of the ways to do it is using align set world coordinate system. In this particular step, we will be aligning the origin to the extent of the stock box, as the stock box is slightly larger than the part. You can see the difference here, stock box versus the part box. So the part extent is slightly smaller than the stock extent. So we want to put it to the corner of the stock box. So we'll pick set to stock box. And then for the zero face, the Z0, I'm going to pick the highest Z, which is going to be the top face of the stock. And for the zero position, which is the XY position, I'll pick the lower left, which is the southwest corner. So you'll notice that the machining coordinate system origin is being displayed on the top face of the stock and the southwest corner. Now when I select OK, this transforms the part and the stock to the world coordinate system origin. So the machine coordinate system origin and the world coordinate system origin will be coincident. So when I click OK, so this automatically transforms the part and the stock to 0, 0, 0, or the world coordinate system origin in Rhino. So if you go to the Simulate tab, you'll notice that the stock origin is also at XYZ0. It's the top of the stock and the southwest corner. Now this is one of the ways how you can establish your XYZ origin for machining. Now there's two triads that you can toggle the visibility on and off. We have the world coordinate system visibility and the machining coordinate system visibility. So as you click on this, it displays the coordinate system visibility for the world. And you'll notice that the machining coordinate system visibility triad is slightly larger than the world coordinate system visibility. Now, if you prefer not to move the part or the stock, but would like to move the location of the coordinate system origin for machining, you could do that by using work zero instead of using set world coordinate system. So if you pick work zero, you can choose to move the machining coordinate system origin independent of the world coordinate system origin. So this can be done using work zero. You can choose set to stock box. In this example, I'm going to show if you choose to put the origin to the northwest corner top of the stock, you can say set to stock, highest Z northwest, and generate. You'll now notice that the machining coordinate system origin is shifted to the northwest corner top of the stock, but the world coordinate system origin stays over here. So work zero is one of the ways of how you can establish your coordinate system origin for machining. Now, if you'd like to leave the work zero at the same location where the world coordinate system origin is, you can edit the work zero, double click on it, pick set to stock, ISZ, southwest, and generate it. If you'd like to specify your work offset register number, you could be using like a G54 or G55. You can specify that right in here, your work offset register number, and this will be output in your posted code.